Introducing DRAWings PRO XII new features. Introducing the new patent-pending sketch stitch. Edit bitmap images that are filled with stitches inside the node editor. Ability to rotate, slant and resize bitmap shapes that are filled with stitches. Apply trim and intersect on bitmap images. Cut bitmap images that are filled with stitches and split them in parts. Convert images with transparency to stitches without filling the transparent areas. Images with bitmap fill types, clipping region. Convert transparency to clipping region. Overlapping objects create holes in bitmap images. Automatic color selection in photo stitch depending on the fabric color. New fill type in array, floral fill. Array fill with bitmap fill types. Use bitmap images for your rectangular or circular arrays. New fill type in array, space fill. Show or hide objects during editing. Revolutionary new patent-pending tool to add, start or exit points and rearrange objects at the same time. Add random stitches to satin or satin serial. Support for vertical text. Precise text spacing between characters. Smooth notes, fine-tune vector shape. Fit the embroidery design in the hoop automatically. Change the density of stitch designs, DSD, PES, JEF, VIP, etc. Apply special functions, trim and stop, on objects through the Sequence Manager. Find a specific color by searching a hex color code or a specific thread color name or number. Replace Colors Dock by a Smart Edit box and swatches. Convert vector-based objects to row stitches for accurate stitch editing.